Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Evergreen Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in your Google search bar search for Evergreen Mortgage Login. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. After a while, it will lead you to the official page of Evergreen Home Loans. So go ahead and click on the sign in which is on the right hand side of your screen. Now you can either sign in to the loan service portal or the loan application portal. Choose which one of these you want to sign into and then it will lead you to the login portal of Evergreen Home Loans. After that, you can write down your username, your password, and if you want your browser to remember your username, click on the username and the browser will remember your username for the next time. And click on I agree to user terms and privacy policy. If you want to read these, click on the link and then you can read the user terms and policy thoroughly. Now, if in case you don't have an account, click on register your account and then create an account for yourself. And if you have forgotten your username or password, these links will surely help you to recover them. This was a video on how you can log into Evergreen Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.